Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha Hamilton, luxury realtor with eXp Realty, and today we're doing a March 2026 Kleinburg market update. So you can make smart, calm decisions whether you're buying, selling, or investing. So before we jump in, please like this video, subscribe, and drop a quick comment. Tell me if you're watching from Kleinburg, Vaughan, or somewhere else in the GTA. I've also added helpful links in the description below, including resources to plan your next move. Make sure you check those out. And if you want a private, data-driven plan for your situation, you can reach me at natasha.hamilton@exprealty.com. You can call or text me at 226-974-6544 or visit natashahamilton.exprealty.com. Now let's get into it. So let's start with the big picture. Kleinburg is currently buyer leaning to a balanced market. That simply means the balance of power has shifted. So buyers have more leverage than they've had in recent years, which is amazing. We're seeing elevated inventory, so buyers have more choice, more time to compare properties, etc. And because homes are taking longer to sell, patience and strategy matter on both sides. Buyers can negotiate more confidently, and sellers need to be sharper with pricing, presentation, and marketing to stand out in the luxury segment. Here are the March 2026 Kleinberg numbers you need to know. So the median sold price is estimated in a range of about 1.52 million to 1.64 million, with an average sale price around 1.9 million. We saw roughly 14 to 15 homes sold, and the average days on market was about 43 days. So homes are moving, but not at lightning speed. New listings came in around 49 for the month and with about 87 active listings. So that works out to roughly 6 months of inventory, which is a meaningful indicator of a balanced to buyer market. More selection, less pressure, and more negotiating room. So now let's anchor Kleinberg in the broader Vaughan context because it explains the negotiation environment. So for March 2026 in Vaughan overall, the median sale price was $1,104,400 and the average price was about $1,184,383. There were 442 sales, 723 new listings, and 1,083 active listings. So months of inventory was about 5.3, as you can see here, and the average sale to list ratio was about 96%, which tells you many homes are selling below ask. And the average listing days on market days on market were about 31 days. So with previous listing days on market around 50, this meaning Kleinberg is mirroring softer conditions just as higher listing price point. Now, here's the pricing insight I want sellers and buyers to hear clearly. So, Kleinberg remains firmly luxury, and the average price near 1.9 million reflects that prestige. But today's buyers are sophisticated and price sensitive. So, with about 6 months of inventory and roughly 43 days on market, I would say buyers are taking their time. They're comparing options and negotiating more confidently. So pricing strategy is critical. If a home is overpriced, buyers will simply move on. The correct homes or the homes that still win right now are the ones that are priced correctly. They are staged and presented beautifully and marketed aggressively, especially online, so they feel like the obvious choice. So let's talk rates because they influence monthly payments and buyer confidence. The posted mortgage rate snapshot for March 2026 showed about 5.49% for a 1 year fix, 6.05% for a 3 year fix, and a 6.09% for a 5 year fix. The Bank of Canada policy rate was noted at 2.25%, which helps frame where shorter term and variable products are anchored. In luxury price points 1.5 million to 2 million plus, your long-term strategy can matter just as much as your rate. So it's smart to work with an experienced mortgage professional to compare scenarios and stress test affordability before making an offer. So, what does this market mean for you? For buyers, you have more leverage than you've had in years and more inventory, longer timelines, and sellers more willing to negotiate, which means you can be selective and strategic right now. For sellers, on the other hand, I would say price accuracy and presentation are no longer optional, they're essential. And properly positioned homes can still sell, but overpricing gets punished quickly through longer days on market and price reductions. And for investors, demand at the luxury price point is selective, but softer priced and stable fundamentals can create a considered entry window, especially if you're thinking long term and focused on, I would say, quality assets. If you're thinking of selling ready to buy, or you simply want to understand your Kleinberg property, what your Kleinberg property is worth today, then let's talk. I'll give you honest, data-driven advice and a strategy that matches your actual timeline. No pressure. Email me at natasha.hamilton@exprealty.com. You can call or text me at 226-974-6544 or visit natashahamilton.exprealty.com. And if this update helped, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's watching Kleinberg right now. And also check out my other market update videos on YouTube. And don't forget the helpful links in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.